While we hope that books and other library resources in our library and iTeacherly will provide all that students need for their study, this is not always possible. Sometimes a student will need a book, a thesis or a journal article that our library cannot provide. If this is the case, we in iTeacherly library will try to get the book or article you need from another library. Just remember that this does involve a cost. To get a book from another library costs €760 and a library article is €5. So let's see what you need to do. First, let's go to the library website. We scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on the drop-down menu until we have selected Request an Interlibrary Loan. In the next screen we have the choice of choosing a book, journal article or dissertation, also known as a thesis. Let's first apply for a book from another library and click on Book. We now need to input our TIN number and password, so let's do that now. We need to input the following details in this screen. Obviously the most basic details you will need are the author and title. Further details such as publication place, year of publication and ISBN also help library staff to locate a book. If there is a date after which you don't need the book, you can put in this date. It is worth remembering at this point that students sometimes request a book from another library without properly checking our own catalogue, which causes extra unnecessary time and effort for library staff. So click the button to search our catalogue on iTeacherly first, to ensure that we do not already have it. When you have done this, submit this request. Interlibrary loan staff will now process this item from another library. If it can be found in another library or of another institute of technology, the request will take approximately a week, if not earlier. If we need to send an item to the British Library, it may take 10 days. When the book arrives in our library, the student will receive an email telling him or her that the book has arrived and can be collected. When the student comes to collect the book, the fee of $760 will then be collected. A member of library staff will then inform the student for how long the book can be kept and when it must be returned. If the student wants an extension on the loan, they must ask a member of Interlibrary loan staff for this. If you are applying for a journal article, you will be asked to provide accurate details as to the title of the article, author of the article, title of the journal, as well as volume number and issue number. You will also have the option of inputting the date after which you will not need the article. Usually a journal article can be found and processed within 24 to 48 hours. If you require a dissertation thesis from another library, you need to fill in the relevant details. Please note that such material cannot leave our library. For further information, click on the link of the ILL section of Library Information on the library website.